Moving to a new construction home in Charleston is a fresh start. Strategic packing can streamline your move. Let's explore how to make the most of this opportunity. New construction is a perfect opportunity to declutter. Start sorting belongings 6 to 8 weeks before moving. Categorize items to keep, donate, sell, or discard. Visualize how each item fits into your new home's layout. This approach ensures a streamlined move and a fresh start in your new Charleston home. Organize kitchen items by function, considering your new kitchen's layout for accessibility. Group baking supplies and cooking utensils together. Pack a first week essentials box with must-have items for immediate use. This ensures a smooth transition into your new Charleston home, making daily tasks manageable from day one. Use wardrobe boxes for hanging clothes to easily transfer them to new closets. Vacuum bags are perfect for seasonal items and bulky bedding. Each family member should pack an essentials suitcase with first week necessities. Consider your new bedroom layout when packing furniture-related items. Charleston's humid climate demands careful packing. Use moisture-absorbing packets for books, documents, and electronics. Protect leather goods and consider climate-controlled storage for items arriving early. Wrap wooden furniture and instruments to prevent moisture damage. If moving during hurricane season, pack emergency supplies separately for easy access. Pack electronics in their original boxes to ensure safety. Clearly label all cables and cords for easy setup later. For complex systems, consider hiring professionals for installation. This approach not only protects your devices, but also simplifies the transition into your new Charleston home. Measure your new storage areas before packing to ensure a perfect fit. Invest in organizational systems tailored to your new space. Group similar items together to maximize storage efficiency. This approach will help you make the most of your new home's built-in storage solutions. Maintain flexibility with your packing schedule. Start with non-essentials 4 to 6 weeks before closing. Be prepared for potential temporary housing needs if closing dates shift. This approach ensures you're ready for any timeline changes while keeping essential items accessible until your move is finalized. Charleston's historic streets can complicate moving. Research parking restrictions and plan for traffic. Understand homeowners association moving restrictions to avoid surprises. These steps ensure a smoother transition into your new home. Pack essential first day boxes for your new Charleston home. Include cleaning supplies, basic tools, and first night bedding. Don't forget personal items, kitchen basics, and bathroom essentials. This ensures a smooth first night, allowing you to settle in comfortably while awaiting professional services coordination. Schedule professional services to align with your home's completion. Plan furniture delivery to match your timeline, and coordinate additional work like window treatments after settling in. This ensures a smooth transition into your new Charleston home, allowing you to focus on sustainable packing practices next. Embrace sustainable packing by using biodegradable materials and renting reusable plastic boxes. Opt for local moving companies to minimize environmental impact. Create detailed inventory lists to track your belongings. Photograph valuable items for insurance purposes. Organize receipts for potential tax deductions. This documentation ensures a smooth transition and helps manage any moving-related issues efficiently. Plan your unpacking to maximize your new space. Start with essential items and kitchen basics. Set up bedrooms and bathrooms first for comfort. Moving to Charleston offers a fresh start. Strategic packing helps settle in efficiently. Enjoy your new home in this beautiful environment.